I don't need no I got. Hey guys, what's going on with Instagram? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Let me see if my live is working. Don't do that. Don't do that. Hey guys, what's been going on? What going on with Instagram? Oh, I can't see no comments. I come live to see if I can see the comment then because I not see no comment on my page. And just to check on everybody, see how y'all doing. Just watch your son birthday pics. They're so nice. Oh, you actually seen them. What's going on with the comment? Trying to figure out what's happening too. Oh, because I thought it was just me alone. Charts of Spice, big up yourself. Right, they say there. Whoever runs that page, you know, sound no more than me, not lie. Ms_Howell, big up yourself. I've been doing good. Me just reached out my yard. Been on the road all day. It's kind of rainy. Me hear some thunderstorm outside, but I'm good. Something is wrong with IG. That's crazy. Rona. Rona, man. Anyway, guys, I'm just checking on you guys. Miss want to come off of this because I'm not telling a lie. Anytime the rain start fall, a problem. Problem! Yo! Anytime I see the rain start drizzle outside, a problem. Me have to live on something name over here, Clarity in D, and one next something. Oh, them say rain and fall at Jamaica too. Oh, so it's a rainy season. Unfortunately, rain is not my best friend. Anytime rain and weather, problem. Sinus. Allergy. Everything start act up. But I do travel. I travel, my allergies affect me real bad. If you notice, my eyes are always red. That's because I have terrible allergies. I'm allergic to everything. I'm not supposed to wear eyeliner. I'm not supposed to put on lashes. I'm not supposed to wear makeup. I'm not supposed to do nothing. I'm allergic to everything. But I force on it for me eye. I force on everything same way. Like nothing to do me. I'm not normal, you know. I'm not a normal girl. I'm very fragile. Act up right through. But I have to do the things them. Someone said, can I do your lashes in Atlanta? Sure. I love you too. What's that? Buttercup? Buttercup drops. I love you too. Big up yourself. You hear the thunderstorm outside? Don't forget to support the album, guys. 10 is out. The album is out. We're not just the pow pow, the pow, the pow pow. When you see the blue lights, you will get a pow pow. Right, that's so. Today, you know which song I was playing in my car? I keep playing Don't Care. You don't care for me at all. I keep playing that song in my car. You know, man. Man, we say them love you, but go look at next woman. Man, we say them single, not believe it, them a scam. I'm gonna stop playing that song name. And I'm beat my face today, you know, the people them up at the love hip hop something. Right there, so I'm gonna do a little quick green screen something. And come home. And just reach home. I miss Instagram, I go out with foolishness, so I say. Let me check out what I go on if Instagram I work because I can't see no comment. Or no. My favorite is SPICE. Give me your S, give me your P. I mean name Grace Hamilton. A little poor girl from Old Britain used to walk big ride and now me buy van from $0 to about couple me. Send Catherine high school me get me education. Nah lie, me go through enough suffering. House bun down flat. I was a homeless woman. Granddad say Gracie come live a England. Bunty give me the first mic. Now me and mash up Sting at 16 power with Ninja Man. Then me gone Pantora so me meet Baby Sham. Dave Kelly make me get me first hit song member. Me is a girl, me no fight over man. After that enough it's me cable man. My father Polyphene, he was me inspiration. He used to make me DJ like Notes Diverter. Give me a S, S, S. Give me a P, P, P. Give me a I. Give me a C to the E. Wait, bet me talk about ramping shop. The collab we put me on the world map. Cartel used to carry me in a taxi on him lap. That's why me a say Gaza until me bet. The album I do from 2009. So VP can't vex if me thought me mind would have reached further. If them they drop it on time. More album from the time me sign. Now watch no face till I push and go through. Better than enough woman and enough man too. Come down to show it dominate right through. Queen at the stage now fi ask her who. Big up me son Nicholas. Nicola time me kids them come first. That's why me a try to keep me focus. Industry make you walk and cuss. Right there so 10 all the way. Right there so which other song gonna like? Which other song gonna like? Tell me which other song gonna like from the album. I'm gonna live show right there so. Which other song gonna like? Tell me what I like. Send it up, send it up. Send it up in a me belly. Listen to me good, no come to me with no antics. This a pretty pussy and a sitting for your ramp with. What's when a 6:30 and me a clamp it. Send it up. One fuck me give you, we no need for romantic. Me a girl we like it when he sitting gigantic. Headboard and not by cheat, grab a blanket. Send it up. When me turn it run, me know fi damage it. Hey! Send it up. Send it up. Send it up in a me belly. Send it all the way up. Now send it right up in there. Right through. Me if I tell you a bucket in my belly bottom. Send it up videos out, guys. It's still on trending after a week. Make sure someone watch it, share it, do all kind of something. And make sure you catch you send it up dance. Somebody said that I like Money Walk. Money Walk is not on the album, but it's a song that I like too. So big up Money Walk. Popo, bestie, care for me. I love care for me. Me a dance, you know. You dance a cappella. La she good. You wicked. You dance all when me sing a cappella dance, you know. Send it up in a me belly. Send it up video bad. Me nah lie. Big up Jay will write this so. Big up big producer Shaggy. Top song, top producer. Send it up video out now and it's still on trending. Do I smell like send it up challenge? It's on its way. But you have to catch the style first. Be cocky tough. When you slack though. When you talk slackness though. When you mouth very dirty. I'm to Nico song. Me sing Popo already. When not just the pow. When you see the green, me we get a pow. Me not just the pow. When you see the blue light, you will get a pow. Life should no matter if you're black or you're white. If police in a sight, we not just see blue light. Get pull over, you have to pray for see another day. Black people get a fight, either dead or indict. Call the government, call the president. We need a law to reinvent, to represent, and to prevent the killing of the innocent man, woman, adolescent. Black life matter, we are no accident. Right, they say it there. Somebody say, Mama used to say, Mama used to tell me, friends not good for you, girl. But I know I will learn the hard way. Wanna rake me up for my song this? Smiling at your face, them a chat behind your back. Go on like them a sheep, but them a wolf in a pack. Now make them bill your weed with lizard tail and give you crack. If walls could have talked to you, trust me, you would have shock. Hey, say them love you, don't fall for that. Man to man, so and just remember that. Bob Marley done did sing this all around the world. Friends, we sell you out for 2 shillings and pearls. Mama used to tell me, friends not good for you, girl. But I know I will learn the hard way. But not fake friend. Mama used to beg me, stay away from them girls. But I know I would face it anyway. I hypocrite them. Backstabber could be sister or your brother. Your fuck see ya who woulda pull the trigger. Live your life, everybody have to pray. Watch your friends more than your enemies. It don't matter what they come and say. They don't wanna see you on your way. They pull you back 'cause they want you stay under the ground, but a prayer a day. And Mama used to tell me, friends not good for you, girl. But I know I will learn the hard way. But not fake friend. Mama used to beg me, stay away from them girls. But I know I would face it anyway. I hypocrite them, so me stay in my zone. 'Cause I'm good for me own. I know everybody fi know where you call home. When them call you them friend, you fi watch out for them. 'Cause Mama used to say, big tune. Make sure to grab the album 10. A whole heap of big song there on the album. And I ask you. No man, you don't have to grab 10. 10 album is a classic. Make sure to go in my bio and click the link and support me the real way. 10 album is out. Friends, one of the big song them on it. That's also one of my favorites. I love the whole album. Can't choose. Too much big song them on it. Too much big song. Remember, make sure me tell you already say. Remember, me tell you already say. Watch your friends more than your enemy. Because remember them say, only your friend know your secrets. Only your friend can reveal it. Your enemy they far away from you, your friend your closest to you. Them will poison you, them will stab in your back, them will betray you, them will what, them will... Hey! No, I'm go down in I, but I'm stick to the album. We shall a song. Send it up. Somebody says sing inches. Fling it up. On a long slackness door. On a mouth very dirty. I don't understand it. Save the live. Tayeri says save the live. Why am I to save the live? I walk one. And this is the Instagram I take off comments. Somebody say go down there. Go down there, when I go down there. Go down there, when I go down. Wine pan your good make sweat a drip off of me body, yeah. Oh, you're full of chat and you can't keep up with the energy. What a epic net of it embedded in your memory. Little bubble of it, treat it like a felony. What you gonna do when there is... Can't do Shaggy Vice. We cannot go down there. We cannot do it. Go down there, when I go down there. Go down there, when I go down there. Go down there, when I go down there. Stay down there, girl. Stay down there. My time for wine, you know. Yeah. Somebody said to send they do something like it. Something like it is a different type of song. Hey, you know so you don't rate me when I think about this though. You know so when you sit down and listen to me song them when I write, you really don't rate me. And what they hear me I sing something like it and I say, hey little girl, Gracie, you can DJ no little girl. Nah man. When you listen to something like it, good. When you play something like it, I really listen to it. Me a boom it and a catch it pan the beat, me just a drop it. Oh, me twerk it and a slap it pan the ground like me a map it. Oh, me stuck it and a pop it and a wine it and a lap it. A picture you fi snap it, Facebook it, but crap it and boom. Yes, that's how me like it. Bring your body, come here, make me ride it. Ride it like a bike it. Cock up and a sit down and a wine it. Bamba glad, way. Hey, me skin out to that. Me skin right out. Me nah lie. My skin right out. Wine pan the body and a sit down pan it. You know say something like it. You know what I like about it? And the variation I like. Me don't know I get so much different vibes. You know so I not talk about my different vibes them. I not talk about my different vibes them. I not talk about me go down in the song them. I not talk about me go yes that's how me like it. And then me go so boom. Wine pan the body and I sit down pan the bait. Pum pum so tight so me man not fi cheat. Phone take a picture yeah that you fi tweet. And then we go back in the next gear now. I get a different vice and go so. Me a boom it and a catch it pan the beat. Me just a drop it. Oh me twerk it and a slap it pan the gong like me a map it. Oh me stuck it and a pop it and a wine it and a. And then me lift up the vice again. I'm go so again. Yes that's how me like it. Mama glad. No man, I not talk about my voice. I not talk about my can DJ, and that man I like we don't know. I not talk. Now whisper, I not talk loud, make people hear you know. And that man I like we don't know. I don't talk loud, talk truths. No sir. I not talk loud. That man I like we don't know. I talk and whisper. I whisper right through. 10 album we are deal with. Alright, go. Some like it depend the album. Friends depend the album. Go down there depend the album. Purport depend the album. A whole heap of big song depend the album. You know, man. Man, we say them love you, but go look at next, so man. Man, we say them single, no believe it, them a scam. No, sir. The girl say she feel herself. I feel myself right through my body like yes. When girl put pen by paper. Yo. That make nice and the rest of the rest of the day. The rest of the day, I'm in the bed. Would have to in the bed and act like Grace. Would have to act like Grace. Somebody say sing romantic mood. Well, stick to 10. I'm going to stick to 10. I don't want me to go to 3 little old song when they pan 10. Tell me if you don't want me to give you 3 song when they pan 10. Tayeri, you not come teach me how to do the send it up dance. That me not like with you, you know. Somebody say niggle eye pump. Niggle eye pump I want different something. So when they pan the stage and under fire. Under fire, me all under fire. Body about me and me still a push it higher. Under fire, me. No, when me go down in a under fire now, I me say, love it when him remit and him ram it. The way you him a slam it, it about me still a jam it. Him deal with me so crab it, but me love it like a rabbit for me. Blood clot! Hey, no man! How teach me at school? Let me go him deal with me so crab it, but me love it like a rabbit. Pan him hood me whole a grab it as a fucking and me a good thing. Me take mechanic flexible, me acrobatic, drive it like a automatic. Then you boss it like a matic, and me feel so aquatic. And you make me so erratic. Una nan talk. Una nan talk. Whisper now, una nan talk. Me also tight it a go bust tonight. This as a una nan talk. Whisper now, whisper. Whisper now, whisper. Sing rate me more. Hey, you remember the song there, Chisam? You think them would have rate me more if me was a man and did a drop it hardcore? You think them would have rate me more if me say, hey, you girl, go fuck on it. Alright then, make me DJ like a mad. If one is not a fan, if one is new fan, one not gonna understand what I'm going to write or something. One just have to excuse the madness. Me see the real fans, them I type the things them. And when the song lick it on my head, me have to just go out with the excitement. So, to all the people out there, because I know I'm an international artist and people may be on my live who's from America, you may not understand what's going on. Let me just give you 2 minutes. What's happening right now, my fans are just throwing out songs. So you may not know the song and I'm spitting the song, but my madness is coming from me being here. And I just think I'm a fucking good artist. And I'm just spitting some songs. Somebody said, gum, chisam. Gum di gum di gum. Hey, we're gonna be nice enough. Gum di gum di gum. I'm gonna keep the same voice and go. Tear off me clothes, bust off me titty, squeeze up me. Hey! No man. Stay true, I forgot keep. Stay true, I forgot keep. Balance pani gong and a rum pandi. Quacky boom pani tapana shake up me. Bati gum di gum di gum. Somebody says sing 2020. Oh, 2020 go again. Oh, 2020 go. Oh, 2020 go. Type the first word in a 2020. Oh, wake up February 2020. And I wonder how me get so much hate and envy. Enough of them bad mind through me money look plenty. Waste time, bad comments. Waste time, bad comments. Come me pocket. Bamba! Don't drink some water. I'm going to remember it. No, sir. No, man. You know what I want somebody to do for me? Spice chart. You're on my live. If you can find, or any fan, maybe Kem can find, but I don't think anyone alive knows this. But I'm still going to ask. It came across my mind the other day. If anybody can find my total amount of songs that I have, whether they were a hit or not, as long as I release them, I feel like Epic Jones from England alone can probably find that. $2020. And that was just last year. Oh, I don't remember it. I'm going to sing it every day. I'm going to try again. Wake up February 2020. And I wonder how me get so much hate and envy. Enough of them just bad mind through me money look plenty. Waste time, bad comments, cause them pocket. Them wicked long time from 19th century. But the era, yeah, them pre-people different. Me hate me through me weird little Louis Fendi. Where them they when me never used to have all. Me want rich like Rihanna Fenty. But if your pocket empty, then your thing look empty. Worse by a Bentley that deadly that send you go cemetery. Me no. Them use it, them provoke me to rattle Jesus Christ, but me never say me want be another vice, only one me. You can build me over twice my name. You remember, it's me, I'm Spice. Yow! Me have only a song. Which chorus? Nah speak no chorus. Me nah no time fi speak no chorus. Too much pa my name fi discuss. Me nah speak no chorus. Unique, one of a kind. Me creative a my lane. Me performance alone make me live pamplane. Me kids and me man alone give me migraine. Brain train to retain only money to me brain. Nah complain, me nah fi abstain on the fight. When me get a sanity me maintain. Live pa me name them mash up me tympanic membrane. Queen make them farm here train. Them no like me and the plane. So me hold me lane them blood clots. No man, who remember 2020? I remember when I did that 2020 challenge and people were supposed to learn the song and the amount of people were spitting that song less than 24 hours. It's just amazing. My fan base was just so amazing. And I think I gave away, was it 20,000 to each person who learned the song first? I don't remember how much person it was. If I gave away 100,000 and share up 20, or was it 10,000 to each person? I don't remember, but yeah. Somebody say I keep forgetting the name of it. Just remember it. Don't wipe. I mean, I watch mate. Make a girl know say pat me now scrape. Me look good. Me have me cute face. Girl I'm mad over me in and say, oh, good things. A girl mad run me down. A girl vex like a me make she done. Me a done wife. Pull up, brap. I would just start type done wife. No sir. Yo, but not lie. Wanna remember the song them? Tables turn. What goes around comes back around. Tables turn. Remember, I can't do what you do. So now that come here with your galley self, just ease off, breeze. Remember, tables turn, man. Somebody please find the amount of songs that I have, please. Oh, indicator go again. Left, right. I got this thing round the back, yeah. Me don't shake it like a shaker. Left to the right, move like indicator. Vibrate it like a snake where you queen to the left, make it jump to the right. Make your body start jump, move like a spotlight. Indicator, body firm and tight. Your foot no big like 54 megabyte. Left side a jump, right side a jump. Pada bumper, ya go convert, Donald jump. Make him mind change when him sight the black clown. Pada bumper, ya go convert, Donald jump. Hey, watch out, me go sit down with it. Hey, I remember, Indicator was the song that Nicki Minaj posted me on her Instagram. I don't know what year that was. But when I did Indicator, she heard it. Had a bumper, yeah, go convert Donald Trump. She was like, no, sir. Your lyrics. Let me see which other song I remember now. Give me some old song. Y'all need to find the total amount of songs that I have. Somebody said 97. It gotta be more than that. It gotta be more than that. Come on, y'all gotta find how many songs I've ever released. That's maybe Charts of Spice. I believe in you. I believe you can do it. I believe say Google can't help you with that one, yeah, because of course some of them wasn't registered. They was just released. Somebody said guilty. Voila, who that type too fast? What we gonna get guilty? Guilty was in 2001 or 2003. I know. It's younger than that. Guilty or guilty gone on. Guilty. You're guilty as charged. A lie you tell say you're there, mother yard. You want what? Jesus! Guilty. You're guilty as charged. A lie you tell say you're there, mother yard. You want me? I remember the song, but I don't remember the words. I don't remember guilty words. You want? I wonder if I'm guilty there on the internet. Jesus. Guilty as charged. A lie you tell say you're there, mother yard. You want justice? Yeah, you want justice. You want justice? I don't remember guilty. Oh my God. Go on again. Go on again. Let me see one more. You want justice, boy? You're there, mother yard. Guilty. You're guilty as charged. A lie you tell, boy, you're there, mother yard. Me want justice, boy, you're there, mother. Me not say mother yard 2 times. Let me go look for it. You don't understand what I go on. Me look for it. Me see if guilty there on the internet. Because some songs me can't remember them. Too much, man. Who this I play Jacquees today? I have to watch them Pitney, I know. Guilty, right? I said it's spelled. Oh, why is it on Google? What am I right so now? Wait there, because something I go on right so come like me now do that something I good. Hold on, balance little bit. Let me get back right so. I tie fridge this in and she alone know for work it. If I can't figure it out, I have to call tie. But tie can't hear them as slackness here. Why am I there on Twitter? Oh, come on go on that. Alright, so hold on a little bit. Toy! I call tight and make sure go when we start play this them.
Yes, mommy?
Can you put this on YouTube for me? You they want me play music today. Cause when me touch the fridge, I forgot on YouTube, me see Jacquees come up. What you know about Jacquees? You say yeah, them big? Put this up on YouTube and go back upstairs. The fridge don't want we in an excitement tonight. Mr. Say to fight me out.
Alright, just search up the song you want to play.
Hold on, let me see something. I look for. Go on upstairs. Bye.
Bye.
Right now, party I go kick now. Alright, I'm gonna ramp with. Alright, hold on there. Party I keep over here, so hold on. Put this right there, so. I go. Sister here 10 years ago.
Where I come from? I want it.
Liar, 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 liar. You're guilty as charged. Me want justice. Come live in the house. Hey, guilty. You're guilty as charged. Boy, you're there, I'm at a yard. You want to go all about to the wall, me come out. Let me put on me clothes, you are running bad. Justice, justice in the house. Hey. Guilty, you're guilty as charged. Liar, tell boy, you're there, I'm at a yard. Me want justice. I'm looking at your face, I'm say you're fraud. Guilty, you're guilty as charged. Liar, tell boy, you're there, I'm at a yard. Me want justice, I'm looking at your face, I'm say you're watch my phone, me can't hey. You're brighty. A long time me and a man clown, you can't talk to me. Long time now, me Gracie is not a yamed. Them I sang here over 10 years ago. Me, long time is not a man yet. Give me a next song. I know my fault. Why? Me own it tonight. I know my fault. Nothing I want for them. Me I can spit when me see them. Yeah, idiot. Me know them the song there. You see what me I tell you no say? Yo, you see what me I tell you no say? Me and my fans them are different something. Them a song you won't not choose and a normal song, you know. Me flip around the camera here. See this? And my fault. 12 years ago. 12 years ago. So them song you wanna choose and a normal song. This is over 10 years ago. I still know them. I still remember them. And you want to separate me and my best friend? You don't want to fight out me and my best today? Where I come from so far? Where I come from hungry? Where I come from pampas days? One put a shoes per foot? You must be crazy. What song over here so now? What song over long time girl man? Watch ya!
Take your man so I make the man work and him say me so fat. All you want talk, girl, me never got that from the first time me came in. I me from
I know me make your man say mommy. I know me make him mama over me both. I know me make your man say cry. Hey! I know me make your man say mommy. I know me make him mama over me mama. Voila. A synthetic ear that I have been. Synthetic ear that I have been on the video. I want to watch the video real good. You see that video shoot yeah? I couldn't afford human ear. This is a synthetic ear video. But I want to make sure I flip back the camera again when I talk. I want to feel like a joke. So far me I come from. So girl, I got hungry right here so. So girl I try. Eh? What? What synthetic ear? Why? Why? I know me make your man say
mama don't believe us.
Whoa!
I know me make your man say you're crying.
What's synthetic here?
No matter cutting on me face, me not time to trace. And your
Girl can wine. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So don't talk to me, I'm a best me. Yes, this is your man in the house, I'm a stress.
Yeah.
Call the phone, want to undress me. I say me body firm up in a bed, he want test me.
And